Hi, I'm here with a friend today, and she's gonna show me how to do a banner.
So hi guys, I'm Caitlin. I'm here from the marketing team. So Estella, you ready to make a tissue paper tassel banner?
Yeah.
This is a tassel that I've already made. So what we're gonna do is you take one sheet of tissue paper. You're going to cut about 3/4 of the way up little strips. So see how it has the sections? We're going to fold it in on itself. Now fold it one more time, pinch it in the center, and twist. Then you take this bit that's left on the top, fold it over, tape it down, but enough so there's like a hole. Then you can take your tassel and fluff it out. Fluff it. Okay, I think we have our string. Tie it around the place where we taped it. So we have 3 here. One from before, yours and mine. And we can take it and just feed it onto our string. That's the beginning of a banner.
Oh, that actually looks really cool.
Yeah, and you can hang it in your room or at a party. You can do whatever you want with it.
That's cool, I like that. Yay!
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Everything you need to celebrate. This is FLOMO.